Hello guys, this is the 2.3 kVA generator armature. So the armature got burnt and I had to strip off the old coil, as you can see on the screen. And then this video I'm going to show us how I was able to replace this old coil and show us the connection for AVR type generators. As you can see, this particular armature has a slip ring, unlike the one we treated in the old video. So check the description of this video. I'm going to send link to the old video we made on armature rewinding of capacitor type generators. Let's go guys. I have two separate coil here, one for one pole and one for the second pole. Each of these coil each of these coils weighs 0.75 pound weight, because after weighing the old coil, the burnt coil, we got 1.5 pound weight on scale. So we have to divide 1.5 pound weight by 2 to give us 0.75 for each pole. So each pole goes to one terminal of the slip ring. So this is for this pole, and then the other coil is for the next pole. As one of the poles we wind clockwise, while the other side of the other pole rather, we go anti-clockwise. So this is a clockwise direction pole, while this side is for the anti-clockwise. So we first start by making the clockwise winding. So this is our clockwise winding in progress. So at the end of the clockwise winding, we have to switch over to the next pole and make our anti-clockwise winding. So we wind this pole in the anti-clockwise direction, as you can see on the screen. Please, before starting your rewinding, make sure you insulate the armature slot properly. Now for the connection, because we have two separate coils, we are going to have 4 output cables: start and end for one pole, start and end for the second pole. As you can see on your screen, we have start and end for the clockwise pole, and then start and end for the anti-clockwise pole.
Okay, so had it been I had only one, so what I will just do is to go clockwise. Then after going clockwise, I will turn around with the end of the clockwise coil. I will turn around and begin the anti-clockwise without having to make any other connection. So but because we had two separate coils for pole A and pole B, that's why we are having start and end, start and end. So for the connection, it's just simple. We pick start from one of the poles and pick end from another pole and loop them together. Okay, then start and end, one will come here at the armature, the slip ring terminal, and then the end will come here. So in summary, start and end will come here. Okay, start will come here, either here or here. So for the armature, for the slip ring terminals, we have start and end. Okay, start and end from either of the two poles, while the remaining start and end is being looped. So it's just as simple as that.